Hello friends. Hi. So today I am live as a surprise after a long time, and I was missing you all guys, but due to my some personal commitments I was not able to come live. But today I decided instantly that I'll be here with you guys and share this new art form. Can you guess what it is? Yeah. If you can guess what it is, just let me know because it's a surprise. You might have not thought about it, that what it is. So let me give you a clue. Yesterday we went out and it was dry beaver. No, it's not gouache. It's acrylic only. But the base, I want you to guess the base was a base. So we went to a river where I found something and we are going to use it. Now I have given you the clue. Can you guess it? Okay, so I am waiting for you to guess. If you cannot, then I'll just show you what I have got. Instantly I decided that I have got this, so let's go live and make something creative with it. Shells. Okay, but no, shells is not exactly true. So it is pebbles. I picked up this pebbles from there and just wanted to paint this. So today we are going to do pebble painting, and I have brought quite a few good ones which have like this smooth surface. So we'll make art out of this. Yes, Neha, you are right, pebbles. So let's get started. Before that, let me introduce to the new people here. So I'm Anita Gupta from Artistic Therapy Zone, and I have been conducting workshops from past 3 years, and from past 1 year it's all virtually because of whatever all this is happening. We can't meet in person, we can't take a risk. Hope you all are safe at home. You guys are taking all the precautions. But the best part of it is, let's see at the positive side, that we can learn things from the comfort of our home virtually. So I would like to tell you that we should always see the positive things and focus on the positivity. So the best part is, now you can learn pebble art from the comfort of your home, from me. So let's get started without wasting much time. I'll just mount it. So these are the pebbles which we are going to use, and we will make something creative out of it. And you guys have to help me because I have not pre-decided any design, anything. Okay. So let's get started. Let me just mount it properly. Okay. So here are the various pebbles which we will be using, and the final result you will be able to see into something creative. So let's start. I'm going to use, guys, this acrylic colors, okay, because on pebbles, poster colors, watercolors and all will not stay permanent, so we will be using acrylic colors. or fabric colors. These both colors are going to be like permanent on pebble, and we can on top of it varnish it using varnish. Okay, so final layer we can coat it with a varnish that will make it more permanent. And see, these are the acrylic colors and these are the fabric colors. You can take any brand, it's okay. I am not brand conscious, so whichever is handy you can pick that. So let's first get started with which pebble. I think I'll start with the biggest one so that we get quite a decent area to paint. So it looks like a triangle shape. What we can do, like make it like clouds and sky type of things, and one quote that we can associate is follow your dreams, like that. So let's start painting it with the base blue. I'm taking this blue and we'll paint it sky blue and make some clouds and then write follow your dreams. Okay, is it sounding exciting, guys? Are you feeling excited about it? I am feeling very excited that today I am going to try something new. Just drop in message, guys. That's the only way for me to communicate here. So I will first paint a base coat of white. Why we paint the base coat? So that whatever colors we paint on top of it, they come bright and vibrant. So for that we should always give one base coat of white if we are not using our canvas or something. And you can even use gesso. And if you don't have gesso, I have a trick for making handmade gesso, homemade gesso actually. What you can do is take some Fevicol, take some talcum powder and mix white acrylic color in it. So these all things together, once we mix, it does the work of gesso for us. Guys, you can hear me loud and clear, right? Okay, so I am done with the base coat. And you can use these pebbles as a paperweight also, or just a decoration for your table. And we are going to write some positive quotes on top of it, so they will just remind you and inspire you to stay positive. Okay, now I am using this ultramarine blue, but I will not use it as it is because it's very dark. So I'll mix it with little bit of white, okay, and make it light blue. See, like this. So we can always make new colors from the colors available. It's not necessary that we have the actual colors always. See how much light we want, that much we can keep adding. So this is the color I want. Okay, so let's start painting the base. it's already started looking awesome, guys. See, the color has changed it from a waste pebble to a decorative pebble, and once we write a quote on top of it, then though everything will change. Okay, so now we will make some clouds using our white acrylic. I'm making use of another brush. See how you have to make clouds is just tap. Okay, you have to just tap. And when you paint such things, now just enjoy the process, guys. Don't worry about the final outcome. Just enjoy it. It's more for our fun rather than worrying about how it will look, what will people say, how many likes will be there on it. So don't worry about all those things. Just enjoy the process. So like I'm done with the clouds. Now we will write what I said you. Yeah, follow your dreams, right? So I will take this, which is this brush number. It's brush number 00. So I'm taking this 00 brush. You can even take permanent marker if you wish. Okay, so I'm taking this 00 brush, and with that I'll write follow your dreams. With which color should I write, white or black? On top of blue, which one will go? As we have painted clouds white, I'll go with black. Okay, so let me take a little bit of color. And mix, actually I am mixing a little bit of water because my paint has become thick, and whenever the paint becomes thick we can add a little water. It's so hot now, so it can become thick. Now let's write. See, I am not a calligraphy expert, so just don't mind my handwriting. Follow your dreams. That's what we should do, right? Never stop dreaming and never stop working for our dreams. So dreams I'll write in capital as I want to highlight it. Okay, so we are like done with this thing. You want me to add something to this pebble, or is it looking fine? because it's already covered and I don't want to like make it very clumsy. Can you see, guys? So we painted this. Follow your dreams. We can make, if we wish, we can make here one moon or something, but I don't want. यहाँ पे जगह ही नहीं है अभी. Previously अगर pre-decide होता तो we could have done, but it's okay. But this is also like looking nice. So this is one. Let's go step by step. Let's take another one. So which one should I pick up from this? Here little bit of sunshine is coming. Let me just shift. Sorry for the noise. Okay. So which one shall we pick up? This and these are same. I guess these are like brothers and sisters. This is like one family, and these are like more of a curvy one. So shall we take this only first? Okay, let's go with this only first. See, if you see from an artist point of view ना, तो तुमको पत्थरों में भी family दिखा देंगे. You might have not wondered, अरे यहाँ पत्थरों में भी family होती है क्या? So let's start. I'm taking. I will just base coat all this so that we can work faster. सब कुछ साथ में ही कर देती हूँ base coat. How are you guys doing? How is everything at your place? Right now I am in Rajasthan and at my in-laws place. It's very hot here, guys. In between rain came, but that also like was so little that only for a day or so we were like having a cool weather. Now again it has become hot. So as I previously told, why we do the base coat, just that the color on top of it comes bright and clear. You can see that blue how it has come. And the beauty about these stones is they are not perfect, right? And so are we. We are also not perfect. हम भी perfect नहीं होते हैं. We have our unique points in which we are expert, and we have our own weaknesses. So the stones are also the same. They teach us कि imperfections में भी हम लोग ब्यूटीफुल हो सकते हैं with our imperfections. So we should never feel bad for our weakness. अगर weakness नहीं होगी तो फिर which side should I use? ये ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे लग रहा है, so I'll use this side. हाँ, weakness नहीं होगी तो फिर हमारी strength का कैसे पता चलेगा? So those are like two sides of the same coin. Weakness are part and so are our strengths. It can be possible कि हमें कभी कभी पता नहीं चलता है हमारी strength क्या है. So we have to keep working on it to find our strengths. next time you go to a beach or some place where there are like lots of rocks, pebbles, just pick a few and paint them and use them as a decor piece, because colors can really change the vibe of your area and even your mood, guys. So what shall we paint on this now next? Let's see. मुझे ये वाला ना थोड़ा सा हार्ट शेप लग रहा है. Can you see? मतलब not exact heart प्यार, but at least a little, थोड़ा सा हार्ट वाला शेप आ रहा है इसमें. Okay. So I will write here follow your heart. वहाँ पे follow your dreams था या फिर कुछ और लिखें. Guys, you suggest something. What should I write? I'm waiting for your suggestion. Else I will write follow your heart only. आया कुछ सजेशन? हाय लवली, हाय हृदया, हाय पलक. ओके, कोई सजेशन नहीं दे रहा है, सो आई एम गोइंग विद फॉलो माई हार्ट. मैं अपने हार्ट को फॉलो कर लेती हूँ. सो आई विल बेस कोट इट विद हार्ट है तो रेड इज द बेस्ट दैट गोज विद द हार्ट. Let me paint now red color on top of it. Wow. So, who all follow their heart? या फिर उसे चुप कर देते हो? I have this, I have that. अभी तो चुप रहे यार. Let me do this. Let me complete my this work. But you know what? काम तो चलते ही रहता है. It's never ending. So sometimes we should listen to our heart also. Because why I tell you, हम लोग अगर हमारी हार्ट की सुनते हैं ना, तो we get a satisfaction, and that satisfaction ना helps us to work even with more enthusiasm later. तो ना तभी हमें उस चीज़ का वैल्यू नहीं रियलाइज होता है कि हमें हमारे हार्ट को क्यों फॉलो करना चाहिए. बट लेटर व्हेन इट हेल्प्स अस टू अचीव अवर ड्रीम्स, जैसे ये फॉलो अवर ड्रीम्स है वैसे, तो तभी हमें लगता है कि यस, लाइफ इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट रनिंग, कीप मूविंग, बट ऑल्सो enjoying following our heart at the same time. तो ये रॉक जब भी मैं देखूंगी मुझे याद आते रहेगा कि आई शुड फॉलो माई हार्ट. Guys, you also search like this pebble, huh? Heart shape. We were like, me and my daughter were like crazy searching for the rocks. अच्छा, this is like a heart and this is like a triangle. इसका ऐसा what we say, इसका ऐसा मीनिंग हो सकता है, इसका वैसा मीनिंग हो सकता है. So that's how we are. Now let's write follow your heart. I want to write it with white. Okay guys, am I stuck? No, right? I'm there. Okay, so let me write it with the white. Follow your heart. Because power has gone. Shit. Why? Am I live, guys? Sorry. The power went. Am I live, guys? Just wave me hi if you can see me live. Okay, so I'm live. can see there was a power cut, so the Wi-Fi was switched off for a few seconds till the inverter ons. That's the what we say, part of life. So I'm going to use this sparkling color. This is from Fevicryl and what's his name? Pearl Green. Okay, so this one I am going to use. It has like this sparkly texture. So let's paint it. You can use even any other color which has glittery effect on it. Can you see the shine, guys? इसके ऊपर कैसा छोटा हल्का सा shine है. So that way I want to just depict कि miracles होते हैं just like this shiny glittery thing, क्योंकि ऐसे glitters and all this, what does it reflect? Magic, miracles. That's what I want to depict through this. इसके अंदर क्या डूडल बनाए guys? Any idea? कुछ डूडल बना सकते हैं हम लोग, और just fill it with miracle. Doodle में we can add, I guess, some hearts. Okay, so let's do that. And I want to write it with black only. ये ड्राई हो गया क्या? वाइट तो ड्राई हो गया होगा अब तक. अरे नहीं, सॉरी, रेड. ये ड्राई नहीं हुआ है. सो लेट्स वेट फॉर दिस ऑल्सो टू ड्राई. टिल दैट टाइम लेट्स कंप्लीट आवर फॉलोअर हार्ट. Keep it down only. I think I need to learn calligraphy next. This is looking मतलब देखो, वैसे तो मैं लुक्स को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देती हूँ. When I do art, मेरे लिए उसको एंजॉय करना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. पर जब ऐसे कुछ लिखते हैं तो मुझे लगता है इट शुड लुक लाइक सम कैलीग्राफी टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स, क्योंकि हम लोग वही देखते हैं राइट इंस्टाग्राम पे. If I learn calligraphy someday, follow your heart. हाँ राइट, अगर मेरे हार्ट ने बोला कि चल अभी कैलीग्राफी सीखना है तो आई स्टार्ट लर्निंग. और हार्ट ने बोला चलेगा, इट्स ओके, लेट इट बी इम्परफेक्ट, तो आई विल गो विद दैट. द बेसिक आइडिया इज टू एंजॉय. Sometimes we forget to enjoy things for achieving perfection. Follow your heart. I'll make a tiny heart here. यहाँ पे थोड़ा ड्राई नहीं हुआ था, सो लेट्स कोट इट वंस मोर. Okay, so this is done. Follow your heart is also done. Follow your dreams is also done. Here, what I say, miracles. और white से बोला था ना मैंने, right. उसके पहले इसको बेस कोट कर देते हैं ताकि ये भी सूख जाए. वॉट शुड आई राइट ऑन दिस गाइस? इस बार आप लोग बोलोगे, हाँ अभी मैं कितना बोल लूँ. से सजेस्ट समथिंग. प्लीज गाइस बी इंटरेक्टिव. कुछ बताओ, व्हाट यू वांट. This Babel I'm asking, okay? Waiting. कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है guys. Suggest something. Okay, I got some suggestion. Can I request one mandala live please? अच्छा, okay. That is a different thing. Sure, Huda. I'll come up with the mandala live also. Okay, एक चीज़ जो it's related to this is let's inspire. I'm going to write inspire here because I want you guys to inspire to create more. And don't worry about the base कि हमें canvas ही चाहिए या फिर हमें कुछ अच्छा ही चाहिए. Look around. आसपास देखो. Just keep your eyes open. Anything and everything you can make it as your base. Did you guys thought that I will be taking the base as this pebbles? No, right? Even I did not thought. Just idea strike. And here I came with this idea. I'm just giving it one border outline type of things. Sorry, I went out of focus क्या? होता है sometimes, you know. When making, I just forget about the angles and everything. I'm involved in the process so much कि मैं भूल ही जाती हूँ कि मैं कैमरा के नीचे कर रही हूँ. And I'm like with you guys. The process itself is so enjoyable now. I can't tell you. If you have experienced it, you must be knowing. और नहीं किया है तो I will suggest you guys go grab some colors. And my favorite medium is acrylic because it works on all base. तो इसीलिए I go with acrylics only most of the time. You can use your CDs, you can use your old cans, you can even use the caps. कैप होते हैं ना बॉटल्स के, उसके ऊपर भी आप कर सकते हो. अभी बहुत कुछ ऐसा है कि आप एक्सप्लोर करोगे ना, बहुत सारी जगह है गाइस, बहुत सारी जगह है। You have to just keep your eyes open. अच्छा, इसको कौन सा कलर करूँ? I forgot. मैं आपसे बातें करते करते बेस कलर इसको कर देना है, so that it dries by the time we complete that miracles thing. Which क्या बोला था ना? इंस्पायर. ओके, सो इंस्पायर को मैं रिलेट करती हूँ लाइक पिंक कलर से. सो लेट मी मेक पिंक कलर. आई डोंट हैव अ पिंक कलर विद मी, और आई डू. लेट मी चेक. नहीं भी होगा तो नो वरीज, वी कैन मिक्स वाइट एंड रेड, बट आई हैव इट. ओके, है मेरे पास बचा हुआ है. आई एम रनिंग आउट ऑफ माई सप्लाईज गाइज because of this lockdown, and I haven't ordered colors. This area, I guess, it's not accessible for most of the things. ये बहुत dark pink है guys, so I will add little bit of white in it. मुझे इतना dark नहीं चाहिए. I don't want such dark pink. Okay, and pink is kind of my favorite color, जो मुझे लगता है most of the girls का होता है. There are few exceptions, but yeah. Wow, it's looking so cool guys. Pink just takes my heart. पिंक को देख के एक अलग ही क्या बोलते हैं, खुशी होती है मुझे. Previously my cupboard was like filled with pink stuff when I was small, but eventually then I started loving most of the colors. But favorite तो favorite ही होता है. आज भी I have like 1/3 of my cupboard with pink. Okay, so we are done with the base. Let's write miracles. Okay, magic miracles. इस पे तो ब्लैक अच्छा लगेगा, but I have dipped it in white. Black will come more brighter on this, so let's go with the black. Miracles. Magic miracles. Do you believe in them? I do. Sometimes something you get magically right, which you have not expected. So हुआ है मेरे साथ बहुत बार. So I believe in magic. I believe in miracles. So it's all about our belief. If we believe, magic will happen. So यहाँ पे कुछ स्पार्कली ड्रॉ करें. circle type of thing. इट्स सो फन गाइस, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आप लोग बोर हो रहे हो क्या? हाँ, बिकॉज आप लोग बना नहीं रहे होगे ना, आपके पास पेबल नहीं होगा शायद। तो जब हम लोग देखते हैं ना कुछ चीज़, तो इट्स नॉट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, बट जब हम लोग उसको एक्चुअली व्हेन वी विल डू इट, then we can enjoy it the most. So it's about the process of having fun. Now let's put some dots. Okay, so these are our miracles. इतना मैजिक काफ़ी है या कुछ डालना है इसके अंदर? Okay, so I'm done with the miracles also. Follow your heart, follow your dreams. Now comes inspire. Let's do inspire. White से लिखेंगे guys inspire को. My brush has a lot of black in it, so let me wipe it nicely. नहीं तो वो ब्लैक वाइट के साथ मिक्स करके ग्रे बना देगा. ओके, इसको आई विल गिव अ डॉटेड बॉर्डर. देखो, एक बॉर्डर देने से एक अलग ही लुक आता है. I'm just giving it a border, and it's up to you guys. आपको अपना पेबल कैसे क्रिएटिवली पेंट करना है. Just use your imagination and go with the flow. Inspire. Yeah, right. We can inspire others not only through art, guys. There are hell lot of things through which we can inspire. Sometimes, even if we look back at our life, even one single word or one single sentence from our parents or our teachers or our friends or our uncles and aunties would have like striked us hard and made a change in our life. So like that, anything can inspire us. Even nature can inspire us. And we can also inspire. अगर मैं आप लोगों को इंस्पायर कर सकूँ कि यू जस्ट क्रिएट दिस आर्ट, आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर इट गाइज इफ यू क्रिएट वन. आई विल लव टू सी व्हाट यू हैव क्रिएटेड. Okay, so the border is done. Now Let's write inspire. Inspire. कैसा लिखूँ भाई? कर्सिव लिखूँ या सिंपल लिखूँ? Let me write simple only. Inspire. एस के बाद पी आता है, मेरा आर हो गया INSP IRE. अब क्या करूँ? लेट मी मेक अगेन पिंक, या फिर यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा आई डाल सकती हूँ. नो, आई कांट. एंड माई पिंक इज ऑल्सो ड्राइड. ओके, देन आई हैव टू अगेन मिक्स white and a little bit of pink. I don't know I'll be able to make the exact pink or not, so let me try. कलर्स बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो रहे हैं ना, so can't help it. अभी तक तो वो जो पहले बनाया था वो ड्राई हो गया मेरा. INS. Okay, I can actually hide it. That's the beauty of acrylic colors, guys. आप लोग ऐसे कुछ भी छुपा सकते हो. So we are humans, we can make mistakes, that's okay, but we should know how to fix it. Okay. P. I. R. E. Inspire. Now I will make some little flowers. Okay, so I'm done with Inspire also. यहाँ पे P में थोड़ा सा कम दिख रहा है, so I'll just paint it on top of it. Inspire. Yay, we are done with one more. So, are you guys enjoying? So these are the ones which we have created. And I will make one more. 5 is what I'm thinking. And then we'll wrap up. So what last should be the best, guys. कुछ अच्छा कोड बोलो. I always think that we should believe, so something related to believe. believe से related कुछ है, or just a simple believe is like fine? मुझे लगता है मैं तो believe is like fine for me. Believe works great. Which pebble should I pick up for believe? ये अच्छा है. This one. That is white. Let's do the base coat first with the white. Aren't they turning into amazing beauties? Did you think that these pebbles are going to turn like this? है ना कुछ different? Now let me write. अरे नहीं, sorry, इसके ऊपर एक quote आएगा. Why I'm writing. So believe को कौन से कलर से कनेक्ट करा जाए? Believe को कौन से कलर से कनेक्ट किया जाए? Purple? Violet? हाँ, I will go with violet. Okay. Let's make believe with the violet. Again, my wallet is like, I feel it's a little dark. I wanted a pastel shade, so I'll mix it with white. Add a little bit of violet and then paint. See, this is the color I wanted, and that was like very dark. Believe in the beauty of your dreams. Believe that you can do it. Believe is everything. If you believe you can, you can. And if you believe you can't, you can't. So it depends, everything depends on our belief. And which I believe it's true. So much of believe thing. Believe, but just believe. है ना? So this base coat is also done. Now let it dry. अभी क्योंकि मेरे पास इसमें कलर बचा हुआ है, I'll also paint it on the back side. वैसे भी मैं इन सब पेबल्स को बैक साइड से भी पेंट करूँगी, but that will I'll do later because I don't want to use your time. पर क्योंकि मेरा कलर बच गया है, so I don't want to waste it, so I will just complete this one. Okay, I'm done with this. ऐसे it's so hot ना, so they are drying fast only. Till that time I will do a little bit of miracles को थोड़ा सा I am giving this pearl white का shine. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just make it a little bit of calligraphy sort of effect, and that I'm going to do with this pen cut tip. Okay, so I'm just dipping it in my pole color and putting polka dots. देखो अभी कैलीग्राफी नहीं आती तो क्या हुआ, किसी और चीज से हम डेकोरेट कर देते हैं. सो देर आर लाइक thousands of alternatives to make our art, give it a different look and feel. And see what I am using, a pen. जबकि अगर हम प्रोफेशनली देखने जाए तो वी हैव टू यूज लाइक डॉटिंग टूल्स, बट आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि जो भी हमारे पास हो, हमारे आसपास हो, यूज देम. So I'm a kind of person like who can adjust with whatever things I have, but that doesn't mean that I cannot dream big. I can dream big and I believe that I can achieve those dreams also. At the same time I follow my heart also. दिल की बात भी सुन लिया करो यार. ड्रीम्स के पीछे भागो लेकिन दिल को पीछे छोड़ के नहीं, दिल को साथ लेकर. Then only you can enjoy life in true sense. अभी बचा है सिर्फ एस. Oops. I guess the miracle itself is like hidden हो गया क्या इससे? Let's decide it later. अभी हम लोग हमारे लास्ट वाले पे फोकस करते हैं. What I have told you guys, इसमें क्या लिखना था हमें? Can you just remind me? Yeah, believe. मैं ही भूल गई कि मैंने क्या बोला था. Believe, right? So let's write believe. Acrylic color तो dry हो जा रहा है बार बार. That's why I am not taking too much quantity. Because how much I need, that much only I am taking. Believe. Believe in the beauty of your dreams. Believe that magic can happen. Believe that you can do it. Believe that everything is possible. So here comes my belief. I'll put a heart on top of it. Eye on top of eye. Okay. This is believe, and let me give it water. See, मेरा फोकस से बाहर तो नहीं चला गया. Okay, it's not out. I have to be careful that I am teaching you guys. मैं खुद के लिए नहीं बना रही हूँ. हो जाती हूँ ना, देन आई फॉरगेट कि वो कैमरे के फोकस के अंदर है नहीं. सो यू माइट हैव नोटिस समटाइम्स इन इवन इन माई यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ कि समथिंग समटाइम गोज आउट ऑफ फोकस. एंड आर्ट में ऐसा है ना कि आई कांट लाइक ऐसा रिपीट, उसके ऊपर तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती, या तो फिर मुझे पूरा स्क्रैच से बनाना होगा. सो यू हैव टू लाइक bear with me. Okay, so I'm done with this also. अभी what I want to do, थोड़ा सा मिरेकल्स के साथ कुछ किया जाए, बिकॉज मिरेकल्स पूरा छुप गया है. ओके, सो आई हैव गॉट एन आइडिया कि मैं उसको पूरा एक बॉर्डर दे देती हूँ ब्लैक का फ्रॉम ऑल द साइड्स. ओके, तो देखो करते करते कुछ भी हो जाए, हम लोग उसमें अपना क्रिएटिव फैक्टर डाल ही सकते हैं. लेट्स जस्ट मेक इट अ लिटिल बिगर फॉन्ट ताकि हमें हमारे डॉट्स भी दिखे एंड मिरेकल्स में जो उसकी एक्चुअल लेटरिंग है वो भी दिखे. एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ लाइव कि आप लोगों को यहाँ पे यू कैन सी दैट इफ देयर इज एनी मिस्टेक हाउ वी गाइस कवर इट. जो कि आप लोगों को फिर बाद में तो पता चलने वाली है नहीं, बिकॉज जो यहाँ पे है दोज ओनली नो कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. व्हेन आई विल लाइक पोस्ट द फाइनल पिक्चर, सबको लगेगा इट्स लाइक द पार्ट, इट वाज द पार्ट ऑफ द क्रिएटिविटी, बट दे डोंट नो दैट इट वाज लाइक जबरदस्ती उसको हमें ऐड करना पड़ा था. सो दैट थिंग हैज बीन क्रिएटेड. जबरदस्ती तो नहीं बोलूँगी, बट या आउट ऑफ सम मिस्टेक वी डिड समथिंग गुड. ओके, नाउ दिस इज लाइक लुकिंग लाइक मिरेकल्स, एक्चुअल मिरेकल्स है ना. दैट इफेक्ट इज कमिंग, जैसे कि हाँ सच में मैजिक मिरेकल्स हो रहा है. Okay, now I just want to cover this parts with a little bit of white. And this miraculous magic, also I want to fill it. Let's add some more sparkle with some more miracle magic. Follow your dreams. इसको भी मैं I'm thinking कि थोड़ा सा बॉर्डर दे देती हूँ. You can give border of different shapes also. I am using here dashes. आप लोग पूरा डॉट से कर सकते हो, पूरा हार्ट से कर सकते हो, इवन यू कैन यूज़ लीफ एंड लीफ जैसे जा रही हो एक। नाउ हार्ट को भी कर दूँ क्या गाइस? और दिस इज लुकिंग बेटर दिस वे ओनली। डू यू थिंक इट रिक्वायर्स वन बॉर्डर? क्योंकि ये इन लोगों के साथ जेल नहीं हो रहा है फिर। ओके, सो लेट मी मेक हियर ऑल्सो वाइट और स्पार्कल। फॉलो योर हार्ट है तो मैं सोच रही हूँ पर्ल ही डाल देती हूँ, बट पर्ल दिखेगा क्या? बिकॉज आफ्टर द पर्ल कलर ड्राइज ना वो दिखता नहीं है इतना, पर स्पार्कल तो करेगा। या सो लेट्स डू स्पार्कलिंग ओनली। मैं यहाँ पे डॉट दूँ, डैशेस दूँ, या फिर व्हाट आई सेड? यार आप लोग कुछ नहीं बता रहे हो मुझे। कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग? कांट हियर यू डियर। ओह व्हाई सो? ओह शिट, अभी सुनाई दे रहा है? I just did not read that comment. अभी पढ़ा मैंने। Can you hear me now? Am I audible? Who else cannot hear me? Everyone? Am I audible, guys? Just let me know, am I audible? मतलब मैं इतनी देर से जो बोल रही थी वो कुछ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा था क्या आप लोगों को? I don't know then what happened. Maybe in between that power fluctuation happened. So okay, so I'm done with this. Can you see? Okay, so we are done for the day. You can add as much creativity as you wish in this simple pebbles. ये देखो, you can see the difference. ये थे हमारे raw pebbles, okay? And ये है हमारे makeover वाले pebbles. तो you can clearly see कि हम लोग अगर थोड़ा सा हमारा creativity डालें तो we can change ourselves from raw to a finished look, है ना? Okay, so just let me speak with you guys to bid you bye bye. Hi guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the pebble painting. I enjoyed it thoroughly. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा because it's my passion, yaar. Colors, can you see? Colors works wonders. And when I have written this beautiful quotes, they are like, they will boost my energy anytime I look at them. So you guys can also make it for yourself. Pebbles नहीं मिलेंगे like that if you are thinking that ऐसा कुछ ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप pebbles पे ही करो. You can use bottle के caps. ऐसे some bottles will be there now. ऐसे caps use कर सकते हो different sizes के. You can use your CD. You can use your base CD होती है ना, base CD. फिर what else? Even you can use the cardboard. बेस कोट दे दो उसको एक वाइट कलर का, कट इट आउट इन डिफरेंट शेप्स एंड यूज इट. सिंपल. कार्डबोर्ड तो यार सबके पास होता है. तो नेवर रेस्ट्रिक्ट योर सेल्फ जस्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव थिंग्स. लुक अराउंड फॉर द थिंग्स एंड मेक इट क्रिएटिव. बस बना दो यार. Okay guys, so I take your leave. Stay safe, stay home, wear mask. I hope you guys are really taking care of yourself. Hydrate yourself a lot. It's so hot, so it's important to hydrate ourselves. That's the little advice I will give. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for joining in. Ciao.